To start using Canva, simply create an account and either go to canva.com or install the dedicated app for a much better and faster performance. Canva opens on its homepage with loads of templates you can start from. You can do three main things with Canva: make graphic designs or videos for social media, work with documents and presentations, and edit pictures quickly. Let's start making graphic projects, also called designs. These are made up of shapes, stickers, text, and media, and are divided in projects to be shared online, such as social media, and projects ready to be printed, called print projects. The only difference between these is the project size. Make sure to pick the correct one between socials, postcards, or flyers, as the free version of Canva does not allow you to resize an existing project at a later stage. You can always go to Custom Size in the top right corner to create a new design with your own size in pixels. Let's pick an Instagram post. This opens a blank design with the correct size for the platform, on a single page, or multiple ones as you need. Adjust the zoom level with your mouse wheel while holding down the Control or Command key. On the left, go to Design to pick any ready template to edit on the preview, selecting any element and modifying it. Switch to Elements to add further objects including lines, shapes, graphics, media files, audio, and much more. Open Uploads to import your own files instead, and click on Text to add title headings, and simple text as body text. Let's see how to edit each element. Click on any to select it, and right-click to copy, paste, delete, change order, or add links to any Canva project or directly to a website page. Drag the element to move it. Use its nodes to scale, and another to rotate it. Undo any time with Control or Command and Z. You can also double-click on text and shapes to type in, clicking outside to apply. On top, adjust the properties for the element selected. On shapes, you can change type, fill color, border style, weight, corner rounding, and border color. You can also adjust the font, size, font color, style, alignment, or even make lists. On the right, make text uppercase. Apply transparency to the entire element, or enable lock to block any modification on it, until you unlock it. When selecting images, stickers, or graphics, you can click on Edit Image to correct brightness, contrast, and color intensity with saturation, or even apply amazing effects and smart mockups. Always use Control or Command and Z to undo. Click on Crop to crop the image, and on Flip to flip it horizontally or vertically. When you select videos, go to Edit Video to add effects, or correct colors and lights on it. And click on the scissors on the top to trim the video by dragging its violet edges, applying with Done. Go to Playback to change the video speed, loop the video, or enable autoplay on it. If you add any audio element, this is shown in the bottom left corner, so that you can play and stop it by clicking on it. You can also check its audio waveform on top, correcting its volume level, and removing it with the buttons on the right. You can also select the page on the background to change its color, and its total duration on top. Whereas use the small buttons to change the order, lock the page, copy it, or remove it. Go to Animate to add animations to either the selected element or the entire page shown on the preview. Check these out. To get a preview of your design, click on the Play button on the top right corner. And use Share to share it with other people using Canva, or to get an online link with proper permissions. You can also go to Download to download the project in your computer with proper file format and content to export. Consider that all projects in Canva are automatically saved on the cloud. Click on the Home button to come back to the home page.